Pointer is a variable that stores the memory address of another variable, so it allows to indirect access the data stored in that memory address. So we have various use cases, like a pointer is used for the allocating and deallocating the memory, and also used for accessing the uh, same element of array, and also used for complex data structure like linked list and tree. And yes, so we use two operator mainly in this pointer. First is new and delete. So new basically used for the allocate to used to allocate the memory at memory new memory to a variable in runtime. So yeah, so it new basically also call the constructor of the object, and initialize the values according to that, and return the pointer uh, allocated with the allocated memory, pointed to with allocated memory. And delete operator used to deallocate or release the memory which is allocated by the new keyword. So it is also if we don't if we forget to delete any memory, so it lead to the memory leak. Next is the and our point star operator. So these and star, so and is used for to get the address of the variable, so that we can store that memory address to the pointer using and operator. And also we can use this and operator as a parameter, so that we can pass the reference of that parameter. So next is the star. So in context of pointer, star is used to create a variable of pointer using star. And also we can use star to access the value of which pointer is pointing to that stored memory address. So let's say we have star int star and the pointer variable, and we are using star here as we are also declaring the type of that, and also variable using star. And when we want to access the value of stored memory address, so we use star and that variable name. Next is a pass by value and reference, pass by reference in functions. So pass by value, basically when we pass any argument by value to a function parameter, then if we change any value of that parameter inside the function, then it will not affect the value of argument which is passed from call function call. So it is used for when we don't want to change any value of our data, and also want to only copy of that value, so we use this pass by value. And next is the pass by reference. So in this process, we just pass the reference of the argument to the as a parameter to function, where we can change. If we made any change inside the function, it will be affect the argument which we pass there, which we pass the reference of that as argument there. So it is used to many cases when we have a complex data structure and we don't want to copy all the data. We just pass the reference of that address, and we can use the all data of that variable.